In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on TradingView. Let's start by opening TradingView's chart. In your browser, head over to tradingview.com/chart and load the page. Give it a moment to fully load and wait for the chart grid and the candles to appear on your screen. Once the chart is up, take a quick look around to make sure everything is in place. Confirm that the left drawing toolbar is visible along the left side of the chart, since that is where the drawing tools live. Then look at the top toolbar and confirm that it shows the replay button, followed by the left curving undo arrow and the right curving redo arrow. These are the controls we will be working with. Now let's make one temporary chart edit, just so we have something to undo. Over on the left drawing toolbar, click the Trendline tool to select it. With the Trendline tool active, move your cursor onto the chart and click once near a visible candle low. This sets your starting point for the line. Then click a second point up and to the right of where you placed the first point, and this will place the trend line between those two clicks. Confirm that a diagonal trend line now appears on the chart, stretching between the 2 points you selected. At the same time, look up at the top toolbar and confirm that the left curving undo arrow is now active, since you have made a change that can be reversed. Now let's undo the chart edit. Go up to the top toolbar and click the left curving undo arrow, which sits right next to the replay button. As soon as you click it, confirm that the trend line disappears from the chart. The temporary trend line is removed, and the chart is back to the state it was in before that edit. The right curving redo arrow is now available in case you want to bring the undone edit back. You can also redo the edit if you undo too far. To do that, head back to the top toolbar and click the right curving redo arrow, which is positioned right next to the undo arrow. Once you click it, confirm that the trend line comes back on the chart exactly where it was before you removed it. Congratulations! You now know how to undo and redo on TradingView.